crushed pumpkin, a whisk, 3 made cupcakes without frosting, a pot and some milk, and a cookbook. Now let's put it all together. The first thing we need is to slice a pumpkin into squares and put it in a bowl. Next thing that we need is to put some frosted milk in here. It was a secret ingredient. Next thing we need is to mix those up until it's nice and smooth. Once it's all mixed up, we are going to put a milk inside it. What is this next ingredient? The next ingredient is put a cupcakes inside the bowl and crumble them up with your hands. I'm just going to put 1 cupcake. But I'm just going to make this a plain cake because we don't need cupcakes because we already made cupcakes. So Elsa wants all blue, and this is just for decoration for a table. And a pink one's all for Anna. And then fill a pot with water and then dump it into a bowl. Once you have that in a bowl, cook your frosting inside a microwave and then use a secret ingredient, melting chocolates. So melt the melting chocolates. Why a melting chocolate or microwaving? We will pour a cupcake. Where is that pumpkin? Once we're done with the frosting, it looks creamy. It looks like a meringue. And then beat a batter up with a mixer stand. Once your batter is all mixed up, mix it with a mix one more time. This is going to take a while. Now we're going to put a cupcake frosting in a fridge so it could turn into each cupcake frosting, and it's going to stay put you pick a frosting up. While your frosting is in the fridge, we are just going to wait until it's ready. It's ready. Where is that? Is this it? No. There it is. Once your frosting is all refrigerator, did you see that? Because it's not a frosting is not falling apart when I heard it. Now we are going to put chocolate on it. Once your cake have chocolate on it, we're going to put it in the middle of it for extra cupcake. Now, let us frost a cupcake with some frosting. We can't put these inside the cake too deep because they are going to melt and get all dirty. So we're just going to frost it easily. Once your frosting is all on a cupcakes, we are going to set them aside because they are really cold. So let's put them over here. While we are waiting until it's ready. It's ready. Once your cupcakes are all done setting aside, we are ready to decorate and put them on. So just like that. Once we have Elsa on, we're going to do the other ones. Once we're done with this is just the decoration, so we're done. Who wants to try cupcake? Bye.